Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss about finding academic articles. Finding academic articles is important for research and assignments. Let's get started by exploring how to search for academic articles, including what the UWM library has to offer. So, what is an academic article? An academic article is a piece of writing typically authored by professionals who have expertise in a particular field. These articles are often subject to a peer review process, meaning they are reviewed and edited by other experts in the same field before publication. Due to this rigorous process, it can take years for an article to be published. The language used is formal and it often contains specialized terminology relevant to the subject matter. And finally, the author's name, along with their credentials and affiliations, is always provided. It helps establish their authority on the topic. When determining whether an article is academic or non-academic, one of the key features is to look for the list of references. Academic articles contain a detailed list that shows where the author obtained the information they are using. The second thing is that they can be found in periodicals such as Journal of Psychology, Childhood Education, or the American Journal of Public Health. Here is a link to an example for academic article. If I click through this link, this is considered as an academic article because the language is very formal and is specific to the field. There are two authors and their credentials are listed at the end, adding to the article's credibility. And most importantly, it includes a list of references at the end, and you might be able to see as I scroll it down. In contrast, non-academic articles are usually written for general public. They are published quickly and may be written by anyone. These articles often use informal language. Here are some reasons to read an academic article. To update your knowledge on progress in a particular area or the field of study. To find a solution to a specific problem. To understand the cause of a particular issue, problem, or situation. To understand certain fundamental aspects, concepts, or theories. To inform your own research and help you select an appropriate methodology. So, to find support of your own views and arguments. Sometimes the article has been assigned to you. As a UWM student, you have two main ways to find scholarly work. First one is library database of the university, and the second one is Google Scholar. Now I will be guiding you step by step throughout the process to find scholarly works using these two ways. You can Google UWM library databases and then click on the link for database. Then click on A. Choose academic search complete. Do a search for something that is related to your career. For example, for searching articles about nursing, I typed nursing career. Now choose a paper that looks like it has useful information for you. After you click on the article, you'll get a lot of useful information. If you look at the abstract, it will give you more information about the paper and tell if this is a good article for your project. If you want to get a PDF, then you can click on the double arrows pointing to the right and it will show you options to read the paper. Now you can read the paper. I recommend saving the paper so that you can easily reference it again later. Click on the down arrow and it will allow you to save the paper to your computer. After saving the PDF, next you want to save your citation. So go back to the original page with the article and then click on the double arrows pointing left. Now click the cite link. Now you find the correct citation. In this class you should use either MLA or APA, your choice. Just keep the style consistent in your reference pages. You can now see the correct citation for your paper to put in your reference. After you reach this interface, make sure that articles are selected. Do a search for something that is related to your career, for example, nursing career. Let's look at the first link to pop up, why choose a nursing career. The next step will look different for different papers as it will be on different websites. It will show you the abstract and give you more information about what the paper is about and what it concludes. This will tell you if the paper is good one for your project. Now you will look to see if you can save the paper, if there is PDF option available somewhere, and then just click on it. It will give you an option to download the paper and save it in your computer. Yeah, I will show you how to do with this paper, but again it will look different for every website. Look further down arrow pointing and then click on it. Lastly, you want to save your citation. Do this by going back to the original page and finding the paper you want to cite, then click on cite option. Under the paper name and description, in this class you should choose either MLA or APA, your choice. Just keep the style consistent in your reference page. You can now see the correct citation for your paper to put in your reference page.